Hi students, welcome back. In the previous class, we completed India, the land of synthesis. Today, we will start a new chapter from political science, election and democracy. What is meant by election? Election is the method by which the representatives of the people are elected in a democratic system. Without election, democratic system will not exist. So let's see the importance of election in a democratic system. Elections reflect the aspirations of the people. Here aspirations mean hope or ambition. Second point, people can select the rulers of their choice through elections. Third point, people can participate and respond in democratic process. Last point, election is a good reason for the rulers to act according to the aspirations of people. Students, do you know about secret ballot? In India, voters cast their vote through secret ballot. Thus, a voter is able to cast his or her vote maintaining confidentially. The voter marks his vote against the name of the candidate of his choice in the ballot paper or electronic voting machine. Students, let's study about the methods of election. Majority of nations in the world have adopted democratic form of government. However, the methods of election in these countries differ from one another. Some countries follow direct election, while in some others it is indirect election. Okay students, let's see direct election. People directly elect their representatives. This method is called direct election. Example, electing our representatives to the Lok Sabha, state legislative assembly and local self-government institutions. Next, second method is indirect election. The method of election in which representatives are chosen by the elected representatives of the people is called indirect election. Example, election of the president, vice president and members of the Rajya Sabha. Next, we are going to study about simple majority system. It is the system for election to Lok Sabha, state legislative assemblies and local self-government institutions. According to this system, elections are held in the following manner. The country is divided into various electoral districts known as constituencies. Second one representative is elected from one constituency. Third point, any number of candidates can contest. Fourth point, the candidate who gets the highest number of votes is elected. Therefore, the simple majority system is simple and easy to manage. So, majority of the democratic nations in the world have adopted simple majority system. Okay, next, let's see about proportional representation. In India, proportional representation is adopted to elect the president, vice president and members of the Rajya Sabha. Second point, it follows indirect election. Third point, in India, MLAs in the state legislative assembly from each state elect members of Rajya Sabha. And the last point, in proportion to their strength in the state legislative assemblies, at each political party can elect representatives to Rajya Sabha. Next, let's review about today's topic. Today, we discussed about direct election, indirect election, simple majority system, and proportional representation. Hope you all understood about today's topic. Thank you.